We saw some of those numbers there. I'll pick up the first question which was asked there, that has Prime Minister Narendra Modi bolstered the strategic direction of the country? Numbers are very revealing, Mohandas Pai. And overall, let me start with the overall picture. If you combine the number of people who say yes, he has, and I think he may have, these two categories are 70.7%, which means in terms of an overall positive for the Prime Minister. And Bhavesh is with us. Bhavesh is the chief of CNX. Bhavesh, can you just address your headroom there? Can you hear me? Bhavesh, you can hear me? Okay, no, we don't have him on yet. So if you look at the overall numbers here, Mohandas Pai, for a Prime Minister after 7 years, in answer to a question, has the Prime Minister bolstered the strategic direction of a country? Broad question. This can be seen to be reflecting in terms of economy, diplomacy, overall leadership. Can you hear me, Mohandas Pai?
Yes, I can hear you. I can hear you.
Thank you. For the Prime Minister to get these kind of numbers, it's astounding.
Unbelievable.
It's astounding that he's scoring between a 55 to 70% on each question.
Yes.
What does this tell you broadly? And also this first question, that 70% of people believe that he has bolstered or majorly bolstered or probably bolstered the strategic direction of India.
See, Anna, my view is Prime Minister Modi has touched the lives of the great majority of people by his programs. And we have to understand it very clearly. No Prime Minister in India's history has helped the poor in 7 years like Prime Minister Modi has done. 1.2 billion Aadhaar numbers, 450 million bank accounts, 17.5 lakh DBT straight to the account, 10 crores gas connections given to everybody, given to women, 9.5 crores farmers getting money 3 times a year, and then about 5 crore houses being built, water in the tap for all houses. Prime Minister Modi has made sure that the people of India have all the necessities of life. A roof over the head, food on the table, power in the switch, a toilet in the house, water in the tap, a road to the house, a gas stove, a internet connection, a mobile phone, money in the bank, education for the children, and health insurance, etc. Now that is what is paying off, because he executed very well. All of the governments have been talking, the Prime Minister has been weak, they have not been seeing, and that is one. Second, industry, infrastructure, our name outside India, standing up to the big terrorist nation, Pakistan, standing up to China and telling China they can't enter a territory. He has done so many things, and globally the respect for India has gone up. All this is being seen by the people of this country, and while the opposition makes noises about nothing being on the crowd, I mean, they are out of touch with reality. Prime Minister Modi has been very inclusive, and I think that is paying off, and that's why you're seeing such a large number of people who are supporting and saying, yes, he has bolstered the strategic direction of the country. I think the opposition parties and others who oppose him and abuse him day in and day out, they should look at the reality and talk to people on the ground and see what he has done and try to come with a better program rather than living in denial, abusing all the time.
Yeah, and look at today's achievement, for example.
Yes.
2.2 crore vaccinations on a day like this. You know what it does? It gives the country a tremendous sense of confidence.
Yes.
Kamru Chaudhary, it gives the country a tremendous sense of confidence. And that confidence in Prime Minister Modi's leadership is only growing. What has your party done last 1.5 years? You've been carping, cribbing, finding fault, provoking, creating social media troll armies. You're negative, you're destructive, you're dispensable, you're incompetent. And look at the number on the screen today. Slap in the face for you is 2.25, I'm told, crore vaccinations done already. And astounding numbers, 70.7% in some way feel that Modi is given the right strategic direction for the country. That gap is widening. You can keep complaining that it's bad that there is no opposition.
And living in denial.
And living in denial, Kamru Chaudhary, yes.
Now,